So the recording is starting now.
Okay. Am I visible? Am I visible?
You are very much visible. You are very much visible. Good evening, good morning to everyone else across the world, whoever is on YouTube and Facebook and seeing this live streamed. Welcoming Shruti Mitra. Shruti, multifaceted personality. She is the CEO of NHEA Private Limited, she's a healthcare and educational background as a professional. She's also taught in Symbiosis, which is a university, private deemed university in India, or deemed to be private university. I don't know the current terminologies that goes around privatization of universities. Therefore, in academic as well as in corporate. And welcome, Shruti, to speak on a fabulous subject. So I don't want to repeat the subject. You are going to state the subject, and you are going to talk about for the next 10 minutes, I would say, because we have eaten up 5 minutes on connectivity. We've got 10 minutes, and you will give me 1 minute. I will rob you of the last 1 minute to do the closure announcements. So here you go, Shruti Mitra, speaking on a very, very, very nice subject, fragrances. Please, go ahead.
Okay, thank you so much. And thank you for making me participate in this World Economic Forum and giving this opportunity. I'll be speaking on flower power, the aroma science, as my industry is, is aromatherapy industry. So, okay. If we talk about the particular line, and the leaves of the tree are for the healing of the nations. So this particularly epitomizes none other than the essential oils. So welcome to the world of essential oil. The fact is, essential oil can soothe inflammation, it can boost mood, it prevents autoimmunity, and also it heals all kinds of diseases. Now, what are essential oils? It's a very interesting thing. We'll talk about that. So essential oils are highly concentrated plant-based chemical compounds extracted directly from the bark, flowers, leaves, resins, and roots of plants. They're used in the alternative medicine of aromatherapy, pharmacology, Indian Ayurveda, and house cleaning. Now, essential oils, they have been used throughout history in many cultures for their medicinal and therapeutic benefits. And this knowledge is also still widely used today. Like the modern scientific studies and trends, they lean again towards more holistic approaches to wellness and a revival of essential oils for physical and psychological health and well-being applications. Now, why does a plant invest so much energy to produce its essential oils in the first place? That can be a very intriguing question, basically. The reasons which have been found out by the scientists is that the internal biochemistry of plants is what keeps them alive. It also protects them from diseases, heals them from where they are harmed by predators or struggle with environmental challenges. It also helps in plant pollination. So these are basically the plant medicine in their purest form, because this thing it's there in the plant and is then carried when it's extracted, it can be used for a therapeutic benefits. Now, how are they manufactured? Essential oils are basically, the most common method is a steam distillation. It's a common method. There are other methods like cold pressing of materials or solvent extraction. Now, how does this essential oil work? So what are their applications basically? Coming to it, now we talk about the power of the flowers basically. It's aromatherapy is the most common method, which is basically the inhalation method. Like you basically inhale the aroma of the plant extracts. So they are very common methods you can use through in a handkerchief, or you can take from the steam, or you can also use through different kinds of diffusers. I think many people throughout the world are using through reed diffuser, through oil burners, through different kinds of electrical diffusers also. Now, how this essential oil works, that's a very, very interesting thing, how it gives this therapeutic benefits. So when we inhale an essential oil, the aromatic molecules enter our body via the nasal passages and our two olfactory lobes. one for each part of the brain, and travel to and basically stimulate areas of our limbic system. And this is a limbic system of the brain, which is a part of the brain that plays a role in emotions, behaviors, sense of smell, and long-term memory. So interestingly, this limbic system is heavily involved in forming memories. This can partly actually explain why familiar smells can trigger memories or emotions. So we are talking about the science of aromatherapy, why it actually impacts the physical well-being as well as different kinds of therapeutic benefits. Now, this limbic system also plays a role in controlling several unconscious physiological functions, such as the breathing, heart rate, the blood pressure. As such, some people claim that essential oils can exert a physical effect on your body also. But there are still, it is a lot of research has to be done, and a lot of confirmation has to be still be done in studies. Now, while application to the skin, how it works. When you massage into the skin, essential oils actually absorb quickly. The aromatic molecules enter our body, allowing their natural healing properties to do their work. So it can be used as a bath oil, it can be used as a face oil, it can be used for massage purposes. So that is the way the chemical thing works, and it also depends on what kind of heat is applied to them or which part of the body it is being used. It actually depends on that also. So we're talking about essential oils. So what are the therapeutic benefits of essential oils? Essential oils are for, a lot of common ailments. The list is exhaustive, like the acne, blackheads, blemishes, itch spots, wrinkles, arthritis, joint pains, all kinds of pains, headaches, cold and flu, nausea, massage, psoriasis, chakra balancing, sleep, insomnia, allergies, anti-stress, laundry, cleaning. The list is exhaustive, basically. The popular essential oils for these therapeutic benefits are lavender, peppermint, frankincense, tea tree, chamomile, geranium, eucalyptus, lemon. Again, there's more than 150 essential oils which are commonly used by people all around the world. Like lavender will be alleviating stress, anxiety. At the same time, it is good for bruises and stretch marks. Peppermint basically helps in nausea, vertigo, exhaustion, and also it's good for headaches. Frankincense for immune system, stimulation to asthma, coughing, bronchitis. Tea tree oil is very, very good for disinfecting purpose. It's good for skin blemishes and acne. Chamomile is for immunity boosting. Geranium and eucalyptus, it can antimicrobial benefits. Lemon is for protection against cold. So basically, essential oils can be used in a single form also, and it is generally used as blends, essential oil blends. Now, why somebody will use essential oil blends and why it is being widely used? So we, Nia Private Limited, we are using a lot of essential oil blends, and we are a lot of innovative things we have come up with. So let me just explain why there are essential oil blends, whether they're good or what are the disadvantages.
Shruti,
Now,
you have 2 minutes to go. Okay. So you want to plug in on Nia, the products, how it can be accessed. This would be a good time to do that.
Okay, yeah. So the blends can be used in complementary purposes. And again, as I said, essential oils has to be safe. There are a lot of safety measures how to use the essential oils. So that may discuss. Now, coming to the aromatherapy market and where Nia Private Limited actually fares into, we have a lot of essential oils which are we are into face oil, which is for anti-aging. We have roll-on, this is Nia Pain Relief Roll-on. There are acne care. There are a lot of single essential oils. We are available on Amazon. We are on Flipkart. We are physically distributing, and we can a lot of other e-commerce platforms. Definitely I might share my Nia, www.nia.in is the website. We have a social media where Nia Care is the Instagram channel, and there's WhatsApp channels also. So please, I would request to come to this magic of aroma, magic of essential oils. Do visit our website, buy our products, and get the full therapeutic benefits of essential oils. Thank you so much.
Shruti Mitra, it's been a pleasure hearing you. You have taken us to not view flowers as merely for decorative value, but how human life can be enhanced, whether through aromatherapy or by the use of these essential oils, which comes out of the. So you have truly tried to show us flower power. So great to hear this. As we come to the close, Women Economic Forum would like to announce two things. One, it's been an honor and a pleasure for Women Economic Forum to have women of substance like you. More power to you and more flowers to you.
Thank you.
WEF 2021, which is a global digital platform hosted out of Bangalore. This particular event, on behalf of WEF, I'm happy and honored to announce the award, which is there for all exceptional leaders of excellence. This is for the entire lifetime body of work in various aspects that you have done. So Jyoti Mitra, WEF confers on you the Exceptional Leader of Excellence Award. This is a digital award. It should come to you by email within 2 weeks.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Thanks a lot.
Very interesting. Please plug in your NIA, your products, your websites, where it is available, how it is sold into the WEF channels, which are all there. Look at Sheconomy, which is also a great platform, and I'm sure you will enjoy, because I can see the smile in you when you talk about it. You really are enjoying what you do. Thank you.
Thanks. No, you love.
Welcome.
Thanks.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Pleasure. Absolutely.